Alright, so if you live somewhere with low ceilings, or if you're going somewhere with low ceilings and you don't want your trunk or hatchback to go up and hit the roof, here's how you can set the height of your car. So first thing, open it, press it again to stop it. Alright, so that way if it's going up too fast, you can press it again to stop it. The other way, obviously, you can just grab it down and stop it if you hold on it, but you gotta hold kind of hard, and if you stop it too early, as you can see, it just goes back down. So let it go up, push the button again to stop it. You might have to hold it because, again, if you stop it too early, like this, it closes itself. Okay, so you go like that and then stop it, and then you can raise it. You don't want to raise it too high, but raise it close to where you would say the limit is. So if you have this here, depending where you go, you don't want it to hit that, so you can actually lower it more, but it just depends how you plan to park. If you plan to park enough that you're not going to have any issues with it hitting, you can raise it higher. And then basically all you gotta do is hold this button and it should chime eventually, so keep holding it. And there you go, you hear the chime. So that sets the height limit. If you want, you can lower it down more. Okay, so let's say you want it like this low. There, you hear the chime. So now the next time I push the button to close it, next time you open it, it will only open that high. So let's do it. And you can see it only opens that much. Again, you can adjust it as much as you want. There's no reset button, so if you want it to go all the way open again, you have to manually open it all the way yourself. Keep in mind though, that if you do this, you need to remember, because you don't want to accidentally hit your head on this because it's too low. So depending how you park, as you can see, I can probably open this pretty much almost all the way, but yeah, you want to be careful because depending where you park, you might hit the ceiling. Okay, so again though, the one thing I wish they would fix is that they would have multiple locations, so that way depending where you go, it will know to set the height limit, because I don't always want it to open that high, and I don't always want it to yeah, go like this low. So it would be nice if they could implement update where it will know where you're parked, and then it will change the set height to whatever you set it to. That way if you're at home and you park in a low garage, it will only go to that high, but then if you're outside, you want it to open all the way. Yeah, I feel like they should implement that. So far they don't have anything like that. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.